Hello student, myself Dr. Bhagwan Mali. Today in this lecture we have to get idea about the factors affecting on absorption of water. My friends, you know that in the last lecture we have got idea about mechanism of absorption of a water, isn't it? And today we have to get idea about the factors affecting on the process of water absorption. We know that plants are absorbing water and that is affected by many more factors. Which are those that today we have to see? My friends, you have to keep in mind the factors affecting on rate of water absorptions are available soil water, soil aeration, concentration of solution, soil temperature, and type of root system. Once again I will give you idea, my friends. The factors which are affecting on the rate of absorption of a water are available soil water, soil aeration, concentration of a solution of a water present in the soil, soil temperature and root system. My friends, first we will get idea about availability of a soil water. As we know that capillary water is only available for the absorption to the plant. Suppose there is no water available in the soil, definitely rate can get, we have to say decrease means no water available, decrease the rate of water absorption. Decrease in the soil water decreases the rate of water absorption. As means one word you have to always keep in your mind, my friends, that is optimum. Optimum level of a water should be present into the soil, then only there is a exact required rate of absorption of water will be able to find in a plant. Now soil aeration, we know that oxygen essential for the water absorption by the roots. In waterlogged soil, less O2 decreases the permeability of the root hairs to the water. As we know that, my friends, aeration is having a lot of importance. As the aeration is there, definitely there is a rate of absorption of water is more. In case of waterlogged condition, less availability of water is there, and because of that one, that less availability of water decreases the permeability of the root hairs. So rapid rate of entrance in the root system of a water is a less. Now concentration of solution, third one. If soil water contains more salts, its concentration and osmotic potential will be a more. The rate of absorption will reduce if the osmotic potential of the soil solution will be more than the osmotic potential of a cell sap of the roots. Now osmotic potential means that is little bit of energy. Suppose lot of energy is present in the soil solution, less energy is in the cell sap of a root system, then definitely water will not be absorbed more. Alkaline and marshy soil shows a very little or poor or no water absorption, my friends. As another most important factor, that is nothing but the temperature of soil affects on the rate of absorption of the water. The rate of absorption of a water is a maximum between 20 to 30 degrees centigrade. If temperature of the soil increases above the 30, a rate of absorption of water decreases. If the temperature decreases below the 20 degrees centigrade, then also there is a reduces the rate of absorption. At low temperature, absorption of a water stops, my friend. At low rate means suppose there is a 1-2 degrees centigrade temperature, 5 degrees centigrade, so definitely rate of absorption of water is definitely stops, no absorption of water. Temperature increases the concentration of a protoplasm, reduces the permeability of plasma membrane, growth of roots is reduced. Diffusion of a soil water into the roots reduced, metabolic activity reduces. Keep in mind. So because of these changes whatever taking place into the root system or cells of the root, and that directly responsible for decrease in the rate or stop the rate of absorption stop the absorption of a water. Now root system, hairy well developed root system have a higher rate of water absorption. As in the last lecture we have got idea my friends, root hairs is the region where the rapid absorption of a water takes place by the plant. So hairy hairs should be more. Well developed root system have the higher rate. Now today in these lectures also we have got idea about apoplast and symplast type of a water absorption. Apoplast and symplast were used by the Munch. These words used by the Munch, that is the name of scientist my friends. Apoplast and symplast word used by Munch is the name. He used it in 1932 to explain the flow of water and minerals, that is used apoplast for non-living or dead portion of the plant like the interconnecting cell walls, intercellular spaces, cell wall of the endodermal cells excluding Casparian strips, cell wall of the pericycle, xylem, tracheids and vessels. All these non-living portions constitutes a single system called a apoplast. The system is a continuous throughout the plants. Through the system, the water moves cheaply due to capillary action or free diffusion along the concentration of gradient. Along the concentration of gradient, whenever such a type of a absorption of water takes place, that is nothing but the apoplast, and that is given by the scientist. The apoplast and symplast, the two words are given by the scientist Munch. Now symplast. Symplast term also coined by Munch. Symplast term is also coined by scientist Munch for living portions of the plant like cytoplasm of this all living cells connected through the plasmodesmata present in the cell wall. Since only living system is included under the symplast, here the water is more cheaply absorbed due to osmosis process in symplast. My friends, here you will be able to come to know that the difference between symplast and apoplast, isn't it? Apoplast water moves in this direction, non-living part. Apoplast passing through non-living system, that is in between cell wall and plasma membrane there is a space, in between that moves, isn't it? And then it goes in upward direction. Symplast, definitely water passes in this direction. Symplast, isn't it? Means here the portion is of a symplast. In living cells participate into that one, and then that comes into the xylem duct, then in xylem vessels, and then in upward direction movement of a water takes place. So this sketch I have made on the blackboard, and then I have taken the screenshot, or I have to say that the photograph of this sketch, and that is for you. With this my friends, in this lecture we have got idea about the first thing, the factors affecting on the rate of absorption of water, and second, that is terminology, symplast and apoplast movement of a water, which is given by the Munch With this I have to say that, my friends, thank you.